GoPro. What was this? Oh, stringer. Gosh, I don't even know. Tackle box, pliers. We're ready to go. Big boy back in the water. Good peacock here. Day 2 here, Galveston. Today is wade fishing, Captain John Havens. So this is something I've never done. It's going to be, I think we're targeting speckled trout with topwater lures. So it should be pretty awesome. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to go meet up with Kim. You guys haven't met her yet, so I'll give you a proper introduction. And let's go catch some fish. Alrighty guys, we are out here. This is day 2 of Galveston. Today we're going to be wade fishing with Captain John Havens. Yesterday was with Captain Cliff. Turns out they're actually buddies, so I got to meet John yesterday. He seems like a really cool guy. Excited to get out on the water with him. We're going to be doing some wade fishing. I also brought a special guest today. She was able to fly in. She was supposed to fish with us yesterday, but she had a little bit of a mishap. So here is Kim. Kim,
Hello,
tell the viewers about yourself.
I'm from South Texas, and I was living down in the Corpus area, so I haven't really fished Galveston a whole lot, so I'm super excited to be here, so we'll see how it goes. Fat boy, stuff like that.
What's the lure choice? Fat boy?
Fat boy.
In the wintertime. Today we'll be wade fishing a shoreline with a trough right along a shell bank. And, we've got a lot of bait swimming through there and a lot of fish that are swimming up and down this shoreline throughout the day. Mainly be trying to catch a big trout, mostly on top waters. Today will be a little different technique and style. There's a good chance to catch a big one. You know, you could 7 or 8 pounder maybe. Right now there is no just one lure that works really.
Okay.
Skid or walk.
Sounds good.
Yeah. We'll just kind of walk, spread out while we walk towards that shrimp boat.
Okay. Sounds like a good plan.
Like soft plastic or top water.
Awesome. Electric green on the bright pink.
Yeah,
there you go. That'll be the combo of the day. This is gonna be fun. I'm all sorts of geared up. Got GoPro. What was this? Oh, stringer. Gosh, I don't even know. Tackle box, pliers. We're ready to go. We're gonna switch over to the GoPro now, and yeah, hopefully get into some topwater action. So, see how it goes. All right, here's the trying not to splash the GoPro hopping in. Oh, that feels nice.
Yeah, that's one thing about during the summer, man. You can wait all day long when it's hot.
Woo. Stingray shuffle. Oh boy. Make for some good footage, right? I got plunked by a stingray. There we go. Awesome. I'll hold that fish up. Sweet. Yep.
There we go. I have no idea what it is. Come on, buddy. Woo! It's got to be a red, right?
Probably. Or could be a big trout.
Man, he's feisty. Yeah, it might have been a trout. Oh no, it's a red. Nice little red. Awesome. I love redfish.
It's just so much better standing in the water and catching.
Yeah, this is crazy. Like, well, how do I land this guy? Come here.
You gotta kind of get him to go calm down around you and then.
I'm geeking out right now. Come here, buddy.
Try not to grab the line. You just want to grab him behind the gills, like
up under.
Up under, on top of the head would be better if you could.
I've got him hooked pretty good, so. Woo! First redfish of the tour. Oh, awesome. He's croaking. Get myself some line here. And I was recording. Look at that.
Yeah, you got it. Huh?
What a beautiful thing. First redfish of the ANGLR Tour. Out here with Captain John Havens. Put me on a beautiful little red. Perfect dot. Perfect spot on the back. He's got that blue iridescence in his fin. These fish are gorgeous. Wow. Thank you for the fight, buddy. Try not to splash me. Thank you. Awesome. Thanks. Oh, it feels good. New species for the tour. This is the lure of choice for right now. I got a little paddle tail. Favorite color too. I love the green tail, or the chartreuse tail there. Nothing too crazy. There's a big barge that, how far would you say that barge was out?
The barge.
The one that made the ship wave.
Oh, I mean, he was all the way, I mean, he's like 6 miles from here.
That's crazy. So those ships way out there made waves that we felt over here, and look at the current ripping now. This is nuts. This is definitely unlike any fishing I've done before. You're gonna go swimming. Hey! Oh man, that's a beautiful one. Eating the paddle tail. Look at that. They're gorgeous. Oop, off he goes. Got one. It's a little guy. Oh, come here, buddy. Come on. These little trout are difficult to handle. Come here. Look at that. Oh, hook popped out. Just like that. Another beautiful little fish here. Gonna mark him up with the bullseye and get him back in the water. Look at those teeth. Got some nasty little teeth. You got thumped? I think we finally found the juicy fishing spot, guys. We're gonna get this guy back in, get a bigger one. Do some upgrading. Check this out. This is crazy. Somebody had a bad day on the job. Give the people a little update about how this fishing day is going.
It's fun. It's a really beautiful day. I'm getting a lot of bites. I haven't caught anything yet. Almost though. But
yeah, getting close.
you have caught some, what, several trout now?
Yeah, a few trout. We got a red.
But some good ones. Yeah, you caught the first red.
Yeah, first red of the trip. Oh man, that was awesome. I thought for sure this was like 12 feet deep in the middle here.
I know, it is. I mean, it comes to a surprising little jump down, but
yeah,
it feels good. The water temperature is great.
Oh, look at that, on camera. I made some delicious ham and cheese and turkey and cheese sandwiches. But look at this, this is wild. We'll get back to the water. I think we're gonna switch up spots here soon, get some food, and then catch a few more fish.
Even today, I mean, just because I can't, I mean, I'll start.
Gotta get a little bit of everything. Pretend like there's a fourth person over there.
Yeah.
Cameraman Alex, RIP.
It wears you out, being in the sun. Ugh.
Yeah, especially
when
if you
you're
got to do it
waiting.
the next day. You know,
Yeah, but when you're waiting and you're in the water, I start to get all delusional.
on the road, Top Boys Road,
Yeah,
like 2 miles down there. On the
we're
road.
stopping, kid.
Yeah.
I'd rather you have boudin like that your first time. And I'll be there.
And
See
they
if
got
you
the
hate
West
me
Coast
like that.
Half Show with the
So you heard it here. We're going different spots, about 25-minute run, and then from there we're gonna fish for probably like another hour or two, depending. And then she's got to drive back to Houston tonight, but we got to get her a fish first. She hasn't caught one. She's got a few bites, but now we have fresh food in the bellies. We got some water, rehydrated, ready to go.
Ready to go.
You gonna catch one?
Can't wait. I'm gonna catch 5.
5.
I'm gonna get way more than you. Green, I see the red. Where's the green one?
So apparently those are the guys that hurt, and we're waiting around with them, so you know, hoping for the best. You only like half of you. I don't want to fully commit. Meanwhile, Kim's surrounded by fish but can't get one to the bait. There we go. I just had to ask him permission. Beautiful. Oh, I'm not recording on this camera. Top camera. Nasty little teeth. Hooked up in bullseye. See, bud. Good lord. Oh, getting my camera wet, dude. That's a pretty one. Get him back in. Get more one. Woo, man, this one's pulling. You gotta cast into this. It's right over here. Big dark cloud. Yeah, there's a ton of them. This is a good fish. Sun and all. I could look at these all day. But then of course I'd kill the fish, so. We're gonna release him. Oh, like that. All right. There it is. The first jelly sting. Oh yeah. Now it just feels like a bunch of bees. Oh yeah, it feels like it's still on there. Mine are not tucked in. I got the first jellyfish sting of my life and of the ANGLR Tour. It's on my right ankle. It doesn't feel great. It's not the worst pain ever, but it's just like annoying. And it feels like something's crawling on there, but it's not. No, I checked. I checked right away. Heading back into the marina now. We ended up having a pretty good time at this second spot. And the first ever tour drone fishing footage.
Oh, this is the first time?
The first time that we had a hookup while flying the drone. So props to this man here. If I'm pointing at him, maybe I'm totally missing, but somewhere in that region. For hooking up while I had the drone up, so that was pretty awesome. Heading back in, gonna grab some lunch at the Topwater Grill, and then Kim has to leave.
Sad day. But you're coming back to Texas, so we can do more fishing.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Apparently Corpus is like kind of lame, so I probably won't go there.
Excuse me, that was not for me.
Fish that over. It was a pretty awesome time out here, and we appreciate John for taking us out. You guys can find him, John Havens. Look for his guide services here in Galveston Bay area and Seabrook area. So thank you again for taking us out. We look forward to next time.
Thank you very much.
Alrighty guys, we just got off the water here. It was a long, fun day out here in Galveston Bay area. Unfortunately, Kim did not get a fish, but we had a reason.
I am superstitious. I believe in bad juju. He can vouch for me. I had the bad juju rod all day long. As soon as I got his rod, at the end of the day, I started getting the best hits ever. And he had mine, not a single thing hit it.
I can confirm. For now, we're gonna go back to the hotel, get some showers, get some naps, get collected.
Nap time.
Nap time. How are my kunais? We'll catch up with you guys in a couple hours here. Back to just Jacob. Just me again. Your host of the ANGLR Tour.